Instant noodles have become a popular and convenient food choice for many individuals seeking a quick and easy meal. Two prominent brands in this category are Maggi and Yippee. In this comparison, we will delve into detailed nutritional and other relevant facts about Maggi and Yippee noodles, assessing their health implications and exploring potential alternatives for those seeking a similar convenience factor without compromising on health. Maggi noodles. Nutritional facts per serving. Calories, around 370 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, approximately 58 grams. Protein, about 9 grams. Fat, around 12 grams. Fiber, roughly 3 grams. Sodium, high, varies based on flavor. Facts. Maggi noodles are a product of Nestlé and have been a staple in the Indian market for many years. They are typically fried and then dried, contributing to their characteristic texture and taste. The seasoning sachet often contains monosodium glutamate, MSG, which may cause concerns for some individuals due to its potential health effects. Health implications. Maggi noodles are convenient but contain a relatively high amount of calories, carbohydrates, and fat, primarily from the frying process. The seasoning often contains high levels of sodium and MSG, which may not be suitable for those with high blood pressure or sensitivity to MSG. Consuming Maggi noodles regularly may contribute to an unhealthy diet due to its low nutritional value. Yippee noodles. Nutritional facts per serving. Calories, approximately 380 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, around 59 grams. Protein, about 8 grams. Fat, roughly 12 grams. Fiber, approximately 3 grams. Sodium, high, varies based on flavor. Facts. Yippee noodles are a product of ITC Limited, a prominent Indian multinational conglomerate. Similar to Maggi, Yippee noodles are fried and dried to achieve the desired texture and taste. The seasoning often contains ingredients like salt, spices, and flavor enhancers. Health implications. Variety and balance. Incorporate a variety of foods in your diet to ensure you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Relying heavily on any instant noodles, including Maggi or Yippee, is not advisable. Whole foods, whenever possible, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and legumes for a healthier and well-rounded diet. Moderation. The key to a balanced diet is moderation. Even if you choose to consume Maggi or Yippee noodles occasionally, be mindful of portion sizes and frequency. Ultimately, the best choice is to limit the consumption of both Maggi and Yippee noodles and opt for a more balanced and nutrient-rich diet for your overall well-being. Alternatives. If you're looking for a quick and convenient meal like instant noodles but with better nutritional value, consider alternatives such as whole grain pasta. Opt for whole grain or whole wheat pasta that provides more fiber and essential nutrients compared to regular pasta. Quinoa. Quinoa is a protein-rich grain that cooks quickly and can be flavored and spiced for a tasty meal. Rice noodles. These noodles are a gluten-free alternative and are often made from rice flour, providing a different texture and nutritional profile. While Maggi and Yippee noodles offer convenience, their nutritional content, particularly high sodium and fat levels, should be considered. It's advisable to consume these products in moderation and balance them with a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and other whole foods. Exploring alternatives that offer a similar convenience factor with improved nutritional content can be a better choice for overall health and wellness. While Maggi and Yippee noodles offer convenience, their nutritional content, particularly high sodium and fat levels, should be considered. Please like and subscribe for more food facts. Yippee noodles have a nutritional profile similar to Maggi, being high in calories, carbohydrates, and fat, making them a less healthy choice. The high sodium content in the seasoning may pose health risks, especially for individuals with hypertension or cardiovascular issues. Regular consumption of Yippee noodles can contribute to an imbalanced diet due to their limited nutritional value. Determining how often to consume Maggi or Yippee noodles depends on several factors, including your overall diet, lifestyle, health status, and nutritional needs. Here's a comparative analysis to help you decide on the frequency of consumption and which option might be better. Maggi noodles. Frequency of consumption. Due to its relatively high levels of sodium, saturated fat, and the presence of MSG in the seasoning, it's advisable to consume Maggi noodles in moderation. Eating it occasionally, perhaps once or twice a month, can be a reasonable approach. Yippee noodles. Frequency of consumption. Similar to Maggi noodles, Yippee noodles have comparable nutritional concerns. Hence, it's recommended to limit consumption and treat them as an occasional indulgence rather than a staple in your diet. Consuming Yippee noodles once or twice a month is a reasonable approach. Comparison. Both Maggi and Yippee noodles have similar nutritional profiles and concerns. They are convenient but lack significant nutritional value, being high in calories, carbohydrates, and fat. The seasoning in both contains a high amount of sodium, which can be detrimental to health if consumed in excess. Better option. If choosing between Maggi and Yippee, the better option would be the one with less sodium and artificial additives. Please like and subscribe for more food facts.